AI is transforming the way we work. So, are you ready to level up your career? Introducing the Bring AI to Work workshop, your gateway to mastering the Gemini and Google Workspace. So, this is the event basically powered by Google. So, first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe to the channel because we bring these kinds of informative content regularly and your practice. So now this workshop basically provides practical skills that you can use for applying the AI to your daily tasks. So the best part is that during the Bring AI workshop, you learn about how to enhance the communication and creativity with the Gemini using the Google Docs, Google Slides to improve your communication and you will learn to enhance your productivity. That is using in Google Sheets and Google Drive, leading the collaboration like running huge meetings and problem solving skills. So, what you have to do in the AI skills program? Basically, there will be workshop, and here you can discover more about AI, the work. And here, after completing some modules, we'll be getting an email with the details of which modules you have to complete and pass the you'll basically earn a completion certificate, and apart from these, the first 100 people to complete the quiz will get Google Gates. That is basically this results. As you can see, this is the Excel official leaders smartphone. So this is only for a presentation, but that doesn't mean they won't give it. They'll surely give it, and only if you want to learn more, you can explore it and how you have to register. Basically, let me show you how to register. Just enter your name here and here enter your last name, what your title is, basically whether you are a student or developer. So I am writing student. Wait a minute. Just let me write student and company name will be your either your company or just university. And for email, what do you have to here, I think personal email like at the rate of the email. So you have to use your student email. What is student email ID? You have to contact your HOD. That is basically here. It will be mentioned EDU. You must be having, or if you don't have, contact your college for it, or just use any domain email. Like if you have for any your projects, like many of you make personal projects, so you may have posted the website, so you can use the email from them and just a phone and TT and up. So now let's do it, and I will be back soon. So let me enter the details. So as you can see, the email does not belongs to our requirements. So what you have to do, just select the email which is mentioned by the ISP. This would be the college email. So like if you do EDU, it will be updated. So as you can see, so you have to just use your college email, personal reason of work. So this was the main thing, and here you have to just create a password and just begin the workspace and start running the starting goodie. So you can do it like this, and I hope you like the video. Do check the channel for other informative content.